Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. In today's video, I will be showing you how I prepare my yummy, tasty plantain pepper soup with fish. So keep watching. The ingredients you need are fish, any one of your choice, onions, plantain, dried fish and crayfish, seasoning cube, salt, pepper and other spices. Add some water in the pot. When it starts boiling, add all the ingredients together and also the plantain. After adding everything, leave it to cook for about 20 minutes on medium heat. Stir and cook for another 10 minutes. Stir gently to avoid scattering the fish and plantain, and then cook for about 10 minutes. Look how delicious this looks. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you try this recipe out, please let me know in the comment section what you think about it. And if you want me to cook something else, just write it down below in the comment section and I will try my possible best to make a video about the recipe. Thank you. Have a nice day.